Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. As you know, if you have a WhatsApp business account in your phone, you cannot log into another account on the same phone. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, you'll have to open your Play Store and then search in for WhatsApp Business and install the app. Once you've installed the app, you're just going to click on open and log into your account. So as you can see, here is no option that will let you to set up another account on WhatsApp Business. So in order to set up a new account, you'll need to install another app. So you're just going to go back on your Play Store and search for Dual App, and then search for this Dual Space. And the first one that shows up, you're going to install this app and then open it. You will have to allow some of these permissions for this app to work. So you're just going to grant these permissions on the app. So once you do this, you are just going to tap on WhatsApp Business, and this will open another clone app, and it's going to take you to the first register page. So you can just input your another phone number and open a WhatsApp clone and use another account in the clone version. And this is how you can easily set up two WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. I hope you liked the video and it was helpful. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.